Now once we run our program, you see we have now to enter the number. For example, as I told you in starting, this ratio letters into like 153, right? You see this number is an almost wrong number. Have you ever struggled with this kind of number? This one, which is an almost wrong number. Yeah, this is a kind of number. So if you have ever challenged with this kind of number, yeah, you are in right way. Yeah, it's time to be aware of it, right? Yeah, now I'm welcoming you back to G-Double Computer Tutorial channel. In this video, as you see, we are going to deal with almost wrong number in a C++ program. Yeah, first of all, I want to share to you what almost wrong number is, what it means, right? Yeah, the first of all, the definition of almost wrong number, as you see, is the number that is equal to the sum of its digits. Each rise to the power of the number of digits, right? Yeah, this means if you take each digit in the number, rise it to the power of the total number of digits and add them up, you get the original number. So what this it means, it's like this. Let me show you. For example, imagine when we take like this number, you see? Yeah, this number is considered by 1, right? And as you see in the definition, the almost wrong number is the number where each digit power with the total number of digits consists of that number, you will get the original number. For example, in this number we have 3 digits, right? Yeah, now that means that we are going to take 1 power 3, right? 1 power 3. Then the second one is 5. Also we take 5 power 3 because this number is consisted by 3 numbers or digits. Now also last one is 3. Yes, 3 power 3 now, right? And then check what will be answer here. 1 power 3 is equal to 3 also. Sorry, 1. Then 5 power 3 will be equal to 125. 125, right? Then 3 power 3 will be equal to 27. You see, 27. Now, to check whether this number is an almost wrong number, we have to take the first number, which is 1 power 3 is equal to 1, then plus this number and then this number. You see, when we take 1 plus 125 plus also 27, what you will get, as you see, answer will be equal to 153, right? So you see this is equal to our original number, right? Means that this first digit keep plus, second digit keep plus, third digit keep is equal to the original number. So this is what you call an almost wrong number, right? Yeah, now to write a C++ program that check whether the input is an almost wrong number, we have to do it like this. So this is somehow related to the what we already learned, which is palindrome number, but they are somewhat different because in a palindrome number it's all about a reverse, to reverse number and then equal to its origin. Now is to powering its number with the number of original number of digits in that number, you see, as I showed you above, right? Then to start this program, we have now to make a variable declaration. Let us make variable declaration of our number remainder sum, which is equal to 0, and variable temp which will hold the entered number. Right after this, now we have to make a statement that asks user to enter the number. You see, enter number like this, then here end line. Then after this, now we have to read this number from the user like this. Then what will be after? Now our temp is going to be equal to our number, means that our temp is going to hold our number. Temp is equal to our number now, right? Yeah. Now after this, we are going to check whether our number is different from 0, because the almost wrong number cannot be a 0. That's why we have to use here while our number is greater than 0, right? Yeah, must be greater than 0. Then in this case, we can now make it check whether it is almost wrong by finding remainder which is equal to num modulus 10 like this. Then after this, we have now to calculate our sum, which is equal to also sum times our cube, because we have seen that we have to multiply with cube because our number is considered by 3 digits. That's why we have to multiply with r times r here, you see, as to be the r cube. Now after this, also we have to find out our new num, which is equal to num over 10 divided by 10 or over 10, right? Yeah, this is our condition to make the almost wrong number. Right now after this, we are going to check whether our temp is equal to our current sum. If it is equal, means that the original number is equal to the one after making this operation of powering by 3 for each digit, right? If our temp or our sum, can say sum, is equal to temp, and remember our temp is equal to our original number. In this case, we say that our number is almost wrong, right? Yeah, number is almost wrong like this. Then here end line. You see, now this is our statement when our sum is equal to temp, right? Now also in other else on otherwise, our number will not be the almost wrong, right? That's why I have to say out here, number is not almost wrong. Number is not almost wrong. Yeah, like this. So for this now, yeah, almost wrong. And then here we have to put also end line like this, right? Yeah, this is our program to check whether the number is almost wrong or not. So without spend much more time, let us make it compilation to check whether there is some errors or it's well written. Let us save it as almost wrong. Yeah, now save it. Let us check whether there is some errors or not, right? Yeah, you see here at the ask us, but there is some errors include Armstrong. Here we forgot the using namespace CDT, right? We have to put it here. specificity like this. Yeah, as you know, this general syntax of C++ program. Yeah, now let us make a compilation again. Yeah, you see now there is no other kind of errors. Now we have ability to run it. Let us run it and check the number, right? As I explained to you when we are studying this video, when I enter like 123, this is, oh yeah, here the error was here we have to put here addition instead of multiplication, right? Because the sum must be equal to sum plus other cube, right? Yeah, that's why you get error here. Please, if you already written this program, check and change here must be addition instead of multiplication, right? So let us make compilation again. You see there is no error. You can now run it, right? Yeah, now once we run our program, you still have now to enter the number. For example, as I told you in starting this lesson, let us enter like 153, right? You see this number is an almost wrong number, as I already told you, right? But let us enter another one. For example, we can enter this one, 371. So it's 371. Also, this is an almost wrong number because you can take the like piece of paper and check this number. When you take 3 power 3 plus 7 power 3 plus 1 power 3, also we will get this number 371. But imagine when we enter the number like this one, 141. For example, when we enter like 141, you see this is not almost wrong number because when you take one cube, we will get 1 plus 1 also plus 64 as 4 cube. In that case, we will get 66, but is differ from 141. That's why it shows is not almost wrong number. So thank you for watching this video. This video was all about the almost wrong number. I explained to you how almost wrong number works and what it is, right? Yeah, now it's time to subscribe this channel if you are new here. To like this video if it's helpful for you, to share it to your colleagues, and please let me see you in the next video.